Guys, I am Isa, and today we're learning how to make a BMI calculator using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So, if I go into my JavaScript file, the BMI formula is the weight divided by the height squared. And let's just make a function of that. And function calculate BMI. So we're going to have some parameters called weight, kilograms, comma, height, meters. I'm going to say return. So it's going to return a value. So return weight kilogram divided by height in meters squared. Oh, we'll just say let R equal to calculate BMI. Calculate BMI. So we need the kilograms. So let's say like 50, and the height. So let's say like 40. Let's just say document dot write R. I'm just link the JavaScript to the HTML. So script source equals to script.js. Where we load it, it shows the BMI. So anyways, we'll have to add some HTML and CSS now. So in the script.js, I'm just going to tag out this document.write BMI. So I'm going to make a div. The div is going to have a class of wrapper. So inside of the div, I'm going to put in input type of text. I'm going to have an ID of to say weight, and then another input type of. I'm going to change these inputs to the type of number instead of text. So number, and this ID is going to be height, and a button, and just say on click. Equal to calculate BMI with these two parentheses. So in my script.js, I'm just going to change this to get BMI and just tag out this. So also I'm going to make a new function. Calculate BMI. So I'm going to make some variables. I'm going to say let weight kilograms equal to document dot get element by ID weight dot value and then let height equals to document dot get element by ID height dot value I want to say document dot write result, and the result is going to be get BMI So weight and the height. So you just go to this button and write calculate BMI. If I something like 15 or T, press calculate BMI, I'm going to do that, but it also erases everything in the document. So we're going to make H3 right the result and just say your BMI should appear here. So let's go to the script.js. Let's say let result div equal to arguments.get element by ID result. So instead of this, you just say results div not inner text is equal to result. Phrase 15 and 14. Calculate the BMI. It was BMI 0. And you can write other values in this BMI calculator for it to, show the BMI of those values. So now we have to style it using CSS. I'm going to style the body. Give it a background. White, blue. Display. Flex. Align items center. And justify content center. Also margin 0 and padding 0. Okay. So now I have this. Let's start the wrapper. Give it a display, flex, align items, center, and justify content center. I'm going to give it a background of red. Like this. And to say border MPX solid dark red. We have an outline. You can get to 10px. And I'm also going to say font size 35px. And font height is increased. Then say border radius 10px. Now it has more border radius. And we can just talk 25px. Okay. You can say dot wrapper input display block. Instead of using display block, I'm just going to put in line breaks between all of these. So BR, another BR. Just put it here and move this display flex, line item center, and justify content center. It's not everything is everything's on different lines now. Let me just change it to 1BR instead of 2. There. And here I'm also going to say text align center. And all the text is aligned to the center. Say dot wrapper hashtag results. I'm going to say font size 24px. Yes. I'm going to say margin top 25 VH. So now it's appeared in the middle. So I'm just going to style the not wrapper input. Give a border of none. They have no border. I'm going to give them an outline of none. I'm going to say carrot color, so like blue. So now we have this. So I'm just going to give it a border radius of 10px. Now we have a BMI calculator. So I'm going to add a title. I'm going to say a H1. I'm going to say body mass index BMI calculator. Give this one a style. So I'm going to have a style of font weight bold. Bold. I have this. Give it a font size of 0.2 pm. And then I'm going to go into this wrapper. I'm going to say padding 10px. Or a width of 40%. So now I have this. So I'm going to give the inputs a padding of 10px. Also the dot wrapper button gives the padding of 10px. All of them are bigger. Anyways, that's the end of today's tutorial. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe. So bye.